to install a seat cover set. Align the support plate with the screw holes. Secure with thick screws without washers. Do the same for the left and right sides. Install the square fixing bracket. Install the seat cushions. Install the seat cushion fixing plate. Secure one black screw. Install the thin screws with washers. Installing the seat cushion support frame. Install the square fixing bracket. Install the seat cushion onto the support frame. Secure the seat. Install the trunk brackets and bases.
Okay.
Install the trunk base with the buckle end facing forward. The black ones are lock nuts, installed with a 10mm open-end wrench. Next, first install the seat on the pedal, then the trunk. Tighten directly if threaded holes exist, fasten with nuts otherwise. Install the fixing brackets with screws. Fit no. 2 and no out 3 in order. Trunk bases and trunks have buckles and slots. Clip them together. Screws still need installing inside the trunk. Installed with M625 black screws, large washers, and nuts. Next, install the handles on both sides of the box. Handles come with screws and metal washers, and can also use included rubber washers. Secure the first screw. Don't tighten. Tighten both after securing both. Installation position of the backrest. Install pedals first. Ribbed edge faces forward. Next, remove the non-height adjustable connecting plate for the handlebar. Install the height adjustable connecting plate. Adjust to a comfortable height and secure it. Next, install the rearview mirror. Reserve space on the handlebar for rearview mirror installation. Tighten with the open-end wrench from the toolkit.